Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce like Tabasco. Chop peppers, add salt, and pack them tightly into sanitized jars to start fermentation. Monitor jars daily for bubbles and release gases to prevent pressure buildup. After a few weeks, blend with vinegar and simmer briefly to meld flavors. Bottle the sauce, let it rest for balance, and taste as it mellows toward the heat you want. Begin fermentation by weighing peppers and calculating a 2% to 3% salt ratio, or sprinkle measured salt over chopped peppers in a jar. Press peppers down to release juices, ensuring they are submerged to prevent mold. Cover with an airlock or loosely fitted lid to let gases escape while keeping contaminants out. Taste periodically after 2 weeks and stop when acidity and flavor match your preference for tang and heat. After fermentation, blend peppers with white or apple cider vinegar until smooth and adjusted to your preferred acidity and heat level. Simmer the mixture gently for 5 to 10 minutes if you want a softer, rounded flavor, then cool before straining or leaving some texture. Transfer into sterilized glass bottles, seal tightly, and store in a cool, dark place to age so flavors marry and mellow, checking periodically for the color and taste you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.